Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the 2025 TECNO Spark Go 1, the latest budget-friendly smartphone from TECNO. If you're looking for an affordable device with decent features, this one might just be for you. Let's explore what it has to offer, from its design to its performance and everything in between. Starting with the exterior, the TECNO Spark Go 1 sports a modern and sleek design that feels comfortable in the hand. The back panel has a textured finish, which not only adds grip but also gives it a more premium look despite being a budget device. The camera module is neatly placed at the back, blending well with the overall design. It comes in a variety of colors, catering to different tastes. The front houses a large display with a small notch for the front camera, maximizing screen space for an immersive viewing experience. Speaking of the display, the Spark Go 1 features a sizable screen with HD resolution, providing clear and vibrant visuals. Whether you're watching videos, browsing social media, or playing games, the colors appear decent for a phone in this price range. The brightness levels are good enough for indoor use, but like most budget phones, it might struggle a bit under direct sunlight. Performance-wise, TECNO has equipped this phone with a capable entry-level processor, ensuring smooth operation for everyday tasks like texting, calling, and social media browsing. Multitasking is manageable, though heavy apps and games may take a toll on its performance. It comes with different RAM and storage options, giving users flexibility based on their needs. The storage can also be expanded via a micro SD card, which is a great addition for those who need more space. For the software, the Spark Go 1 runs on the latest version of TECNO's custom UI based on Android. The interface is user-friendly, with several customization options and useful features. Bloatware is present, but most of it can be removed or disabled if needed. TECNO also includes some smart features to enhance usability, making the experience smoother and more efficient. Moving on to the cameras, the phone is equipped with a decent rear camera setup for casual photography. It captures acceptable shots in good lighting conditions, with natural colors and adequate details. However, in low light, the quality drops, which is expected for a budget device. The front camera is good enough for selfies and video calls, providing decent skin tones and sharpness. AI enhancements help improve images, making them more social media ready. Battery life is one of the strong points of the TECNO Spark Go 1. With a large battery capacity, it can easily last a full day with moderate use. Whether you're streaming videos, browsing the web, or chatting with friends, you won't have to worry about running out of power too quickly. Charging speeds are reasonable, though it may not support fast charging like higher-end models. Connectivity-wise, the phone supports all the essential features, including dual SIM capability, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a headphone jack. TECNO has also included a fingerprint sensor for added security, along with face unlock, which works decently in well-lit conditions. Overall, the TECNO Spark Go 1 is a solid choice for those on a tight budget looking for a reliable smartphone for daily use. It offers a good balance of design, display, and battery life while keeping costs low. Of course, it has its limitations, especially in performance and camera quality, but for the price, it delivers a decent experience. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think about the TECNO Spark Go 1. Would you consider buying it? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FK iPhone for more tech updates. See you in the next video.